For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The deadly coronavirus has taken the entire world by a storm. Several countries witnessed deaths due to the virus like never in the past. Even as the pandemic rages on, a scientist named Sai Li from Tsinghua University unveils microscopic images of novel coronavirus. Dr. Li carefully froze the drop of the virus-laden fluid in a fraction of a second and placed the smidgen ice into a cryo-electron microscope. Accordingly, the device fired beams of electrons at the sample where Dr. Li's computer reconstructed what the microscope depicted. Furthermore, he could see thousands of coronaviruses packed in the ice-like jelly beans in a jar. Meanwhile, another biophysicist at the Max Planck Institute, Gerhard Hammer, used the frozen microscopy method to take pictures of spike proteins embedded in the virus membrane. Interestingly, the scientists were able to witness the molecular dance of the virus.
You can see these flowers waving with all kinds of bending angles. It's quite surprising to have such a long, slender stalk with so much flexibility.
Dr. Hammer further speculated that the flexibility of the spike was important for the virus to succeed. On January 10th, Chinese researchers published its sequence of 30,000 letters on genes of COVID-19. Even Dr. Ruskin, led by a team of scientists, mapped the shape of COVID-19's genetic strands. The scientists infected human cells with the viruses and gave them time to make thousands of new RNA strands. Dr. Ruskin and her colleagues discovered places where the virus slips from one shape to another. A number of researchers are now closely examining some of these regions to figure out what the virus is up to. They also revealed that non-structural protein NSP1 helps seize control of our molecule. Somehow the virus is just amped up in its ability to produce protein from time to time. NSP1 falls out of ribosomes, and somehow the virus does a better job of taking advantage of those brief opportunities. We hoped it was going to be something simple, but as usual in science it wasn't. However, the new pictures of SARS coronavirus 2 have become essential for the fight against the pandemic. Moreover, vaccine developers are studying the virus's structure to ensure that the antibodies made by vaccines grip tightly to the virus. Even though several scientists are collecting more information about the new virus, some studies have made it clear that it will take years to make sense of SARS coronavirus 2.